We're going to find the square root here, and we are going to assume that all variables represent positive real numbers, okay, which you're going to see on just about every one of these square roots with a variable inside. So the first thing I like to do is I like to split this up into two radicals. All right, I like to separate my number from my variable. And if I had more than one letter, I would put them all in under a separate radical. The reason I like to do that is because you look at them a little bit differently. The square root of 81 is just 9, because 9 squared is 81. Now, when I look at the square root of x to the 8th, sometimes I like to write them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it's going to take me, because it's a square root, it's going to take me pairs of 2. Every pair of 2 will bring me 1 outside of the radical. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you see I'm left with nothing inside of the radical. So my answer here is going to be 9 x to the 4th. No more radical, nothing left inside of the radical. Okay, and just as an added mention, if I was going to look at 81 the same way, if I had the square root of 81, which I know is 9, but I could also write it like this. I could write it as the square root of 9 times 9, and then you can look at it the same way as those variables. 2 inside gives me 1 outside. All right.